Welcome to our tutorial on creating a personalized baby shower invitation suite. Our video will show you how to easily personalize your own themed baby shower invitations with our organized, easy-to-use design template. Let us show you how to use the tools and design templates on Zazzle to easily create your own personalized baby shower invitation. Get ready to make your baby shower truly unique and special with personalized invitations and matching enclosure cards packaged together in an optional vellum jacket. Complete the look with matching stickers and address labels for that extra special touch. So let's get started. First, let's head over to the Zazzle website and browse the wide selection of baby shower themes. There are many different styles and designs to choose from. You'll have no trouble finding the perfect theme to match your unique style. If you have a particular theme in mind, you can also search the Zazzle marketplace to narrow down your search. For this baby shower tutorial, let's search for a teddy bear and hot air balloon themed baby shower design. This is our hot air balloon and teddy bear invitation, available in our Zazzle Moodthology papery shop. You can explore our curated collection of matching designs and products for this particular theme, so you can easily create your own personalized baby shower invitations, including stickers, return address labels, enclosure cards, and so much more. Let's choose this invitation with gorgeous, real foil. The foil features a raised texture for a premium finish and is sure to leave a lasting impression. Choose the quantity and select how many invitations you need. You can personalize this template with your event details. There is also an option to add white envelopes to your order. The foil is available in 3 colors: rose gold, silver, and gold. Finally, choose a square edge or rounded corners for your invitations. Zazzle makes it super easy to customize the text in this template. Click Personalize this template to open up the text customization fields. You can easily edit the text boxes by simply clicking on them and typing in your own details. On the back of this invitation, you can change the event details such as the event location, address, registry information, and other details. With Zazzle's easy-to-use design tool, you can rearrange and resize design elements, change the background color, and choose from a selection of fonts and colors to add your own personal touch to the design. Now, let's start by personalizing the main invitation card. Click Edit using the Design tool to open up Zazzle's Design tool area. Here you can add additional text to the design, as well as add different shapes. Change the background color here and the option to upload your own images or graphics. In the Layer section, you can switch between the front foil layer and the front and back sides of the invitation. Let's change the font style for the foil printed text. Select the text and locate the font options located on the right-hand side. Choose from a selection of fonts, which are organized into styles so you can easily find the perfect font. Feel free to experiment with different font styles to suit your preference. You can preview the changes in real time before finalizing. You can change the text size, justification, and the scale, as well as the letter spacing and line spacing. Let's increase the text size here and the letter spacing. We'll also change this script font to a different calligraphy style by easily choosing the script style category to find different script font options. You can adjust the position of the text by clicking and moving it to your desired placement. This also applies to the other design elements, which can be repositioned or resized. Now let's make some changes to the front side. Start by selecting the front side in the Layers panel. Let's change this light pink background. Select a rectangle shape in the Layers panel and locate the fill color options located on the right-hand side. You can choose from the pre-made color options, or if you have a specific color, you can enter the color hex number here. There's also this custom color picker. You can choose the color with the slider. Let's use a purple color and adjust the color hue. When you find the color that you'd like to use, simply select it and the color will preview in real time. You can also copy and paste elements to customize the design by selecting Copy from the Edit menu at the top and then selecting Paste. Here we have copied a flower. You can rotate, resize, and position it to your liking, repeating this process to achieve your desired look. By right-clicking an element, you can easily move an element to the front or back of the layers. From this menu, you can also copy and paste. Let's add some more clouds and a few extra stars to the back side. Once you're satisfied with your changes, click Done to review your order details. You've just learned how easy it is to create a personalized baby shower invitation using the Zazzle design tool. Just like the invitation, you can personalize the enclosure cards, stickers, address labels, and other products. We just love the final product featuring exquisite real rose gold foil detail, sure to leave a lasting impression. Let's put together these gorgeous baby shower invitations. To add an extra touch of elegance, enclose the invitation suite in a stunning vellum jacket. Place together the matching diaper raffle card and the books for baby enclosure card with the invitation. This vellum jacket is totally optional. However, the vellum jacket makes it easy to place together the invitation suite in a beautiful and elegant package. Seal the vellum jacket with the invitation with a personalized sticker to give it that extra personalized touch. We'll also seal the envelopes with the same sticker that we used on the vellum jacket. Finally, to complete these invitations, we're adding this matching return address label. Finding and personalizing the perfect baby shower invitation suite has never been easier. With endless customization options and high-quality printing, as well as this real gold foil, your baby shower is sure to be a memorable event for everyone. We hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos. Visit Zazzle today to explore the wide range of baby shower invitations and designs to start customizing your very own baby shower invitation suite. Cheers, and happy designing!